Today, we're going to be looking at this adorable 1440p gaming PC. It's perfect for anyone who truly cares about the aesthetics of their build. Keep watching for more. Hello, I'm David, a level 3 technician at AVARigs Custom Computers, America's leading custom computer solutions and home to over 10,000 component choices. Today, we're going to be going over one of the systems that a customer configured in our Blissful line. Blissful, again, is aesthetics, the brighter colors, the pinks, the blues. And while this is a very high performance machine, it actually has an RTX 4070 Ti Super from Asus. The customer was really focused on aesthetics, and I'm going to go over those now. Now, this system is built in the Land-Cooled 205. The customer opted for the pink version in this case, which looks really good with our bubble decals that we did. For the motherboard, the customer went with an NZXT N7 B650E. Goes really nice with the build as it has the white metal cover covering the PCB. Now, to match that NZXT motherboard, the customer also went with the NZXT T120 air cooler. Has RGB, again, the same metal white aesthetic, really matches well. And that's going to be going ahead and cooling the Ryzen 7 8700G. That's AMD's newest processor. The customer also went with some nice white Corsair stuff. They went with the Dominator Platinum RGB RAM, which is 64 gigs at 5600 megahertz. And they also went with the brand new Corsair QX 120s up in the top and the back. That has 2 ring lights on the front and back and the side profile lighting as well. Now, all this computer is going to be put to some good use. The customer is also getting a 27-inch ROG Strix 1440p 300 Hz FreeSync gaming monitor. Games are going to look fantastic on that. Now, if you like this build, go ahead and check out our Blissful configurator on AVARigs.com. There's going to be all sorts of options for white, pink, blue, the real colorful options. And if you're on the YouTube, go ahead and like and subscribe and comment down below what kind of cases you'd like to see added. You know, if you think of any pink cases or blue cases, maybe like a light green case, whatever would catch your eye, we could build a system around it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another AVARigs.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviarock.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviadirect.com/community. You can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.